everyone, Dirge here. Today, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can remove the background of any photo. So let's dive right into it because I waste a lot of time. This will work on any operating system, by the way, if it supports the latest version of Google Chrome or just any web browser, alright? Yeah. Oh, let's go into it. You can be on Windows, Mac, or Linux. So the photo that we're going to be using is this photo of my mom. It's random, alright? It's nothing crazy. It's a random photo I took, right? So we're going to be using it today. First of all, open up your web browser. It can be any web browser. Alright, we're going to choose that Chrome profile. In the address bar, type in remove.bg. I'll put this up on the screen and in the description. Now, upload your file. You can drag and drop it or just upload the file using the file picker. Now you can see it's used AI to just do the trick. Look, this is the original photo with a lot of bad backgrounds, and this is the new photo. And you see these dots looking like a chessboard? That means the background is removed. But wait, what if it did not capture everything correctly? Then what would you do? Well, it seems that you can click on this edit button and you can automatically fix that. You can click on erase and /restore. You can either erase parts of your okay, that looks weird. Or click on restore. You have the brush size option, so you choose the size of the brush and you can also restore them back. Right? Let's restore my mom back because she looks weird. Yeah. I mean, this is not that correct. You can see over here, it got a bit of the background because I restored it. And you just want to restore some stuff like that, it definitely works. You can definitely just restore those like that as well. It does not mean that if it's the background, you cannot restore it. You can see we can just also erase it. So that's pretty cool. But now, how do you download this? Well, you just click on the download button and download image. Now you can save it wherever you like, alright? But wait, let's say maybe it captured everything correctly, alright, and no issues were found. Then before you click on that, you can just click on download right over here and download your image. Now I saved this on my desktop. One thing you'll notice that you can see my mom in the preview of this image. But if I hover, if I drag this image anywhere, you can see the background is actually blending in. I can only see my mom because there's no background. It's transparent. If you open it up, you can see the background is gone. But what about proof? Because I don't think any of you guys believe me. Well, let me show you some proof. Well, open up Canva. Oh, no, sorry. We're just going to use Canva to do this so I can prove it to you, alright? By the way, I use Canva to make all of my thumbnails. So we're gonna go with the template YouTube thumbnail because that's what I use all the time to make my thumbnails. It's gonna load. I mean, yeah. If I record, it's gonna take a long time because CPU. It's not cool. Yeah. Now we can import our new image. Let's import it right there. Look, now you can see the background is pretty much gone, right? We don't have a background right now. But if I upload, let's say an image here, let's send it to back. You'll see the background is not like just whiten it up. You can see how it's just taking effect. Let's upload a background actually. What are those loud drum noises outside? Let's upload this background here. You can see it takes effect. This will work anywhere. You can also do this on Google Slides or PowerPoint. But we're doing it on Canva right now. You can see no issues at all. We have oh my gosh, what are those drum noises? Why are people putting drums outside on the road? You can see now it works. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stuff like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.